Welcome back. Let's discuss exponential notation. Exponential notation is a shorthand notation for repeated multiplication. For example, if we say 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, this is equal to 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 represents the repeated multiplication of 3. The exponent shows how many times the base is used. Like here we say 3 is used how many times? It is used 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. The exponent shows how many times the base is used. For example, with 3 to the power 4 there, which is written like this. This whole 3 to the power 4 is called the power. This is the power. The power is not the exponent. The power is the whole 3 to the power 4, the base and the exponent. 3 is the base and 4 is the exponent. For a to the power n, a to the power n is the power, a is the base, n is the exponent. Then we have definitions. We're going to talk about the exponential laws later. Let's just discuss these definitions. So x to the power n is x times x times x. It goes on like that to n factors. X to the power 0, any base to the power 0 is equal to 1. Remember that. Any base to the power 0 is equal to 1. And x to the power negative n is equal to 1 over x to the power n. X to the power negative n is equal to 1 over x to the power n. Let's do some few examples. Write 5 to the power 3 in expanded form. It means 5 to the power 3. This is equal to 5 times 5 times 5. That's what it means. Calculate 3 to the power negative 2. We say that x to the power negative n is equal to 1 over x to the power n. So it means now 3 to the power negative 2 is equal to 1 over 3 to the power 2. Calculate 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2. This is 2 to the power 3, that is 8, times 3 to the power 2, that is 9, and then 8 times 9, that is 72. And then calculate 7 plus 3 to the power 3. We have to add this first. This is like 10, and then 10 to the power 3, which is 1000. 3 to the power negative 2 times 2 to the power negative 3. This will be 1 over 3 squared times 1 over 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 1 over 9 times 1 over 8. And then fractions, just multiply the numerator, multiply the denominators. 1 times 1 is 1, 9 times 8 is 72. That's the exponential notation, which is just an introduction to our content on exponents.